Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond, and today Bed Bath & Beyond stock gained about 10 cents. I'm going to determine what's going on with the stock. Is it going to be able to do it again, or is this a one-off? What's happening? Why did it do it? Why did it go up like that, right? If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. I release video every day, and the objective is to get you guys information. None of it's financial advice, so hopefully you guys take it as such. Let's talk about these levels. As you guys know, if you've been following me from day one, I've been making videos on the stock almost three and a half months now. And you know, these levels we have been establishing from day one, right? These are actual levels that we're working, and I could appreciate that how these levels are actually working out. You see how the stock reached up to 32 cents. And then, of course, this was a heavy supply level. As you see here, it says demand, now it's a supply level. These were the demands from March level, which means that a lot of buyers were sitting at this place and then became supply level, which means a lot of sellers are at this spot, at this price level. So when it got to 33 cents, 32 cents, 33 cents, is going to get shut down because there's a lot of supply here. The reason it went up is because there's only one reason, okay? There was no catalyst that came out for the stock, but the stock still managed to get about 10 cents hike, and we're going to see whether this is going to be able to sustain that for tomorrow or what's going to happen with the stock. The reason the stock went up is because of this reason. The only reason we have is about the short interest right now. It's about 17%. It's not a lot, but it's still there, which means that a lot of people are shorting the stock. A little bit of manipulation can actually push up the stock. And for the folks that don't know what short interest is when a stock is not doing too great. A lot of folks bet on the stock price to go down, right? They borrow the stock from the broker, they sell it in the market, and when the stock price further drops, they buy it back from the market on a market price, pay back the broker the share and the fee, whatever the fee is going to be designated for that share, and then they take home the profit. Now, when there's a manipulation, like for example, the trend traders come in, they try to push the stock price up. The people that are shorting the stock would have to cover their shorts because every time the stock price goes up, they start losing money, right? So when they start covering their shorts, what happens is they end up pushing the price higher. So this is exactly what it is right now. What I call it is a pocket of little squeezes, you know, short squeeze sort of a thing, but it's not really a short squeeze in a sense where it's going to go to $1, $2, $3. It could have gone to that level if we didn't have a lot of inventory there. You know, there was not a lot of stock available right now because there's so much inventory is available. I'm sure there's a lot of people sitting here that bought the stock, let's say at 29 cents, for example. When it got to 33 cents, they came out of the position because they don't trust the company. And this is why we call it a supply level. Can it do it tomorrow? I do think so. I do think the stock might be able to go back to 33 cents tomorrow, which we will have to see. I mean, he's already making some moves. We are in the aftermarket now. It is making a little bit of move. And again, this is all trend-based stock right now. Again, I don't anticipate the stock to make a huge move to go to 50 cents or something like that. I do see the stock go back to 33 cents, but if it starts coming down, it could potentially go down to 25 cents. And if it crosses 25 cents, we're going back to 23 cents, guys. So this is going to be the level around, as I said, it's going to be between 23 cents and 33 cents right now. We're going to see what's going to happen tomorrow, but I really appreciate these levels here. So again, for tomorrow, I'm kind of bullish on the stock. I do feel the stock might be able to get to 33 cents again, but we'll have to see and watch. So hope you guys are liking these daily videos, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.